We have a Mercedes V-Class. We fitted a Meta S5 Deadlock to it. So if we come round to this vehicle, see on the interior here, you will see we can attempt to start the vehicle. So key in, and we can't start the vehicle, as you will see. Now obviously if we present the tag, so as we have here, the Meta track tags, if we simply press the button, once we have the fast flashes, as you can see, we can now start the vehicle and it works as normal. You get 2 tags, so 2 of these operational tags with the purchase of the Meta. And it gives you S5 tracking, live location and remote shutdown. And that is how it works on these Mercedes V-Classes.